Have you heard about Nano Banana in Google Gemini? It's Google's new image generation feature, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it to create stunning images right from your phone. To get started, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version from either the App Store or Google Play Store. This is important because Nano Banana only works on the newest version. Once the update finishes, go ahead and open the Gemini app. When the app loads, look toward the top of the screen and switch to the 2.5 flash model. This model already includes Nano Banana, so there's no extra setup needed. Now comes the fun part: typing your description. The key is to be as specific as possible. For example, instead of something simple like, "Make me a photo," you could type, "Make me a photo of me drinking coffee on the beach in the Seychelles," ultra realistic, like it was taken with a professional DSLR camera. By giving more details, Gemini has a better chance of generating exactly what you're picturing. Once you've got the image you like, you can save it directly, share it with friends, or even use it for creative projects like social media posts. And since Nano Banana is built directly into Gemini, you don't have to jump between apps or websites. Everything happens in one place. And that's how you use Nano Banana inside Gemini. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one.